this.
Okay, short.
Short. My auntie say my do long one. I no want time. I no want time.
You want short? How you take made a clothes there?
I want if I dey bend like this. As this one dey like this. If I dey bend like this, make this one. It mean daily. That means single short reach like this. My tailor, I know say you go sabi that. No, make the hand no long.
Where the hand go stop?
Make the hand stop somewhere here.
Here.
So that if I dey wear this
okay.
thing, you go show fancy bracelets.
Yeah, I will give you better style.
I trust you now.
I say your neck.
Tailor, why you dey measure the neck?
So, your neck go there
like
this.
Dey sexy now.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Like this.
Done.
Carry your hand up.
So carry it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Tailor, into loose now.
Oh, how you want make it like this?
Tailor, like this. Make it very tight.
Tight like this.
Tight. Tailor.
Oh, sorry. I won't give you better style.
It's okay.
Better style.
It's okay. Let's do it.
Give your leg here.
Okay.
Give here.
Tailor, they okay like that. My carry and keep for you. Tailor, you no go long like that now. We'll measure this side, you no go long like that. Tailor, easy.
I won't give you better style where you go
Tailor,
like.
this one where you do like this today, your thing, eh?
No, I won't give you style where you go like better style.
No wahala.
Turn like this.
Tailor, this one, which style be this one?
Don't worry, I know my work. Okay, no wahala. I know,
I trust you. That's why I got it to you.
You like this clothes?
Tailor.
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing. You like these clothes.
I know, I trust you. I know what you can do. Tailor like this.
You like these
Tailor,
clothes?
come, just do it. Just measure it so that I can do. Measure
My pastor.
Tailor.
Me, I know what I'm doing. I know.
Tailor. Tailor, I forget that like this. You take put Jennifer belle. You see your own a break, you go break. How you take carry the belle? Madam, waiting for sign. I just dey secure your future for you. I just dey secure your future for you. You don't know say Jennifer you know say Jennifer with Jennifer.
Leave that thing. I've been there do my tailoring.
You do your tailoring yo. Now wetin you look? You look go put belle. No, you get picking.
I know game. They always no.
You
they spoil my work.
You ask question where see as you pan like they better go even break your waist. No, you know go house go look for place to do. Madam, they go house. They go see small picking like you. You know go look for book read. See you with your school uniform.